Santa Ana Park. And the race is on. Mad Music fast to begin rising up his Henna's Gold. About to be from the outside in the middle, Lady Diamond. Then comes Stand by Your Man alongside Lever Action. Interceptor is racing in 7th position alongside Abon's Treasure. 10-8 Shades of Red, 5 o'clock, 4th last. Number 3, Tebaxi. Moving up from the outside is actually number 9, Farragut's or The Chosen One is running at the tail of the field. And as Gold about to be Lever Action, Mind Music done on the inside. Lady Diamond is racing in by a length and a half. Done on the inside, Stand by Your Man. Abon's Treasure racing in 7th position by about 5 lengths. And 10-8 Shades of Red, Interceptor alongside Farragut's Order, 5 o'clock. The Chosen One, Tebaxi is now running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, about to be by ahead, Lever Action. From the outside, Henna's Gold is racing in third by some 2 lengths. Then comes Lady Diamond, Mind Music, Stand by Your Man, 5 o'clock, Farragut's Order, Shades of Red as they race the final corner. It's Lever Action about to be fighting it out for the lead. Mind Music from the outside, and nearing the finish line, Lever Action, the leader. About to be Lady Diamond, Stand by Your Man on the outside, Mind Music down on the inside, 10-8 Shades of Red, Lever Action, Shades of Red is tipping down on the inside, Lady Diamond, and finally 10-8 Shades of Red, Lever Action, Lady Diamond, 5 o'clock, Stand by Your Man, Mind Music, I think for your super sappies.